In QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can view reports as charts to help you better understand your company's data. While you build your report, you're in Table View. This is where you choose the columns, group options, and filters to build your report. The columns you include on the report are important because they'll also be your options if you want to customize your chart. To see your report as a chart, select Chart View. QuickBooks displays a chart of your data and options to customize it. Select the type of chart you want. Then customize how you want to organize the chart. Your horizontal or X-axis options come from the columns you selected earlier for the report that aren't dollar amounts. And your vertical or Y-axis options are the columns you selected that are dollar amounts. If you use QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can select More, Add to Performance Center to see this chart from your Performance Center. When you save your report, QuickBooks saves your chart customizations as well. Now that you know how to use Chart View, check out our other reporting videos.